Hey everyone, this is Stealth. Welcome back to Motor Gear Solid. And I'm back at the shop today. I have the Yamaha R3 in here. There's my ROG over there. It's all taken apart. I'll have an update on that soon. I'm going to take off some more parts and then edit a video for you guys. Yeah, today I want to take off the white decals. I just want it black and gold. I don't want any white. And I'm mulling over maybe wrapping the forks in carbon black, like vinyl. I don't know, I kind of like the black and gold. Looks like Batman. See? Black and gold kind of. I'm using a heat gun to remove the decal. I'm going to be using something else to take off the adhesive that's left over. Go slow so that way you don't rip it. You can probably take it off in one shot. Constantly grab at the base, like so. Almost got it all off. Boom, one shot. Okay, so all the decals are off now, and there's still some residue. You can just use some WD-40 and a microfiber cloth, or any kind of cloth, and just wipe it off. All the decals, the stickers have been removed, so the bike is completely debadged of all the Yamaha stuff. I think it looked okay, but I like this look better. It's really sleek. Yeah, I think it looks way better without them. Yeah, you can do this to the R3s from, what was it, 2015 and up. It works on the older generation as well. And you can do it on other bikes. I've tried it on a CBR 250R, it worked. Same result, really easy to do with a heat gun and some WD-40. That's about it. Just want to show you a quick video on how to debadge your motorcycle, specifically the Yamaha R3. This is Stealth for Motor Gear Solid. I'll see you guys soon in another video.